Kapag inggit ang nanaig, kahit pamilya ay kayang wasakin. In our gospel, many who heard Jesus preach were astonished. However, instead of support and praise, background check ang natanggap ni Jesus. The people looked at the ordinariness of Jesus and questioned his extraordinary deeds. Hindi ba't parang walang sense ito? When we see good deeds, our reasonable response is to praise and commend. But when we do otherwise, baka meron ng inggit na namumuo sa ating mga puso. Mga ka-G, no one has all the gifts, talents, and skills in the world. All of us are imperfect. Gawin nawa nating source of joy ang kalakasan ng ating kapwa. This way, may iwasan natin ang nangyari sa mga taga-Galilee. Jesus was not able to perform any mighty deeds there anymore because of their lack of faith. Kapag binibuild up at sinusuportahan natin ang bawat isa sa kanya-kanyang mabubuting gawa, mas napaparangalan natin ang Panginoon at ang kanyang mga dakilang gawa. G ka ba?